By the mid-1860s, the Texas cattle ranching industry was booming. In the 20 years following the American Civil War, nearly 6 million head of cattle were driven out of Texas to markets in the Midwest. Most of the cattle trails led through Indian Territory and the 6 million acres of land known as the Cherokee Outlet. Cowhands would stop and allow their herds to graze in the outlet for weeks or even months before continuing on the trail. The outlet belonged to the Cherokees, but the U.S. government forbid the tribe from permanently settling there. The Cherokee Nation recognized the opportunity to play a huge role in the growing cattle industry, so in 1879 they sent representatives to the outlet to collect grazing taxes from all men who were pasturing herds there. Over the next 5 years, the treasurer of the Cherokee Nation, D.W. Lipe, collected more than $80,000 in grazing taxes at his office in Caldwell, Kansas. The cattlemen of the area decided to organize and in March 1883 formed the Cherokee Strip Livestock Association. Later that year, the Cherokee National Council leased the entire outlet to the Cherokee Strip Livestock Association for a term of 5 years at $100,000 per year. The association became the most influential livestock association in the world, and in 1888 it secured an additional 5-year lease from the Cherokee Nation for the amount of $200,000 per year. However, following the land run of 1889, the public and the U.S. government began to demand that the Cherokee Outlet be opened for white settlement. U.S. President Benjamin Harrison issued a proclamation forbidding all grazing on the lands of the outlet and ordering all cattle to be removed by October 1, 1890. The Cherokee Strip Livestock Association offered to buy the outlet from the Cherokees for $3 an acre, but the federal government instead forced the Cherokee Nation to sell it for less than half that, at $1.40 an acre. The Cherokee Outlet was open to settlement in the land rush of September 1893.